Hey everybody, this is the Foot Residence. Look how gorgeous this is. This is amazing. So right now I'm about to do a small install here and you guys are going to be here with me. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that you guys already liked and subscribed this video. I released a short not too long ago, just a couple of days ago, just to kind of introduce this video. I'm really proud of this project. I was able to go to Bronxville, New York, and those of you who are not familiar with this part of the city, it's beautiful. It's a wealthy, affluent part of New York. Don't let the name Bronx fool you. And it was just simply spectacular. I was able to work on the backyard of this property, and I planted 2 coral bark Japanese maples right by the house with 2 Hinoki shrubs. I'm obsessed with Hinoki cypress. They're so beautiful. They're kind of like a roughly material, and the color gradient is just amazing. And then 2 pink hydrangeas. Those are what you see in the front. I can't wait to see what this looks like in a couple years. I was so grateful to work on this project, and here you're looking at the finished product. This is a very short video. It only took me about 4 hours to complete, and yeah, thank you for coming along with me and keeping me company while I did this. Like always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to knowing that you'll be around for my next video. Have a great week, guys.